And for solving any issues, you first need to feel it, accept it, and then heal it. That's the actual process. And for solving, you must have heard about the water theory, हम इसी psychology में, spirituality में, even अपने day-to-day life में भी we know कि water कितना importance hold करता है. But here's the fact, every time I come to this place, or when I'm in direct touch with water, spirituality, that relation with water, it's very prominent, right? But in psychological terms, it also holds a lot more meaning than we can ever imagine. मेरे साथ क्या होता था ना, when I was in my healing journey, even अभी भी there are certain traumas when it comes on the surface level, when something doesn't feel right, I just come here and sit. If I'm in a circle, 180 degree, there is just water. हिंदू कल्चर में होता है ना कि गंगा मैया को हम लोग प्रणाम करते हैं, ठीक है, जब भी दिखी या फिर पानी लेके छिड़कना, वो इट्स बेसिकली अपना एनर्जी एक बार चेंज करना, शिफ्ट करना. सो मेरे लिए काफ़ी फ्रीक्वेंट है, ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं जब छत पे आती हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली शी इज़ देयर ऑल द टाइम. आई नो it was not very conscious. The prayer that I used to keep in front of her was like the amount of softness, kindness, nurturing ability. Water can take any shape, and the contrast that it holds, the way water is soft, calm, and fierce at the same time. I used to be in awe. मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे poems, कविताएं पढ़ी हैं about rivers, about flowing water, that how much immense capacity it holds. Human life पे तो है, humanity के लिए है, the role जो कि ये अर्थ के लिए प्ले करती है. But then if I talk about in humans life, how water can inspire. ये जितना soft है उतनी fierce भी, ये जितना kind है उतनी disastrous भी, ये जितनी nurturing है उतनी punishing भी, जितनी important है उतनी sometimes it can get so toxic as well. And it's not just about the nature, but it's also about the ability. Ki even though she's soft, even though she might be considered weak, but that fierceness is always there. As I always used to pray, I want to be like water. I want to be like you, Ganga Maiya. And that embodiment was not somewhere, that prayer wasn't coming somewhere from conscious mind. It was very subconsciously, because I used to feel very content जब भी मैं यहाँ पे आती हूँ, बैठती हूँ, when I'm in direct touch with her. ऐसा नहीं है कि जीवन भर में मैंने पानी नहीं दिखा है, बट माउंट जितना ज़्यादा होता है उतना ज़्यादा वो पीस फील होता है, उतना ज़्यादा सेटिस्फैक्शन या फिर उतना ही ज़्यादा मन शांत हो जाता है. मे बी द वाटर इफेक्ट वी कैन कॉल इट. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज, थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ आई वॉज क्वाइट वल्नरेबल एंड आई हैड दिस वीक गर्ल पर्सनैलिटी कि इफ आई यूज टू गेट हर्ट, आई जस्ट यूज टू गेट हर्ट. I used to cry a lot, और मैं चीज़ें रख नहीं पाती थी, बोल नहीं पाती थी. I used to be very sensitive child throughout, घर में हो, बाहर में हो, चीज़ें थी, problems थी, but rather than dealing with it, I just used to cry it out. But I was never weak. I was a sensitive. I had that, vulnerability, and I never feared in showing it. But the world took me as one of the weakest. They took me as, जितना इसमें emotions है, उतना ये weak है. And आज भी होता है, हर बार होता है, बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है. Just because they are able to show their emotions, people perceive them as they're weak. No, they are not. They are one of the strongest. Emotions makes human an actual human. People will be like, kya hai ye? Yes. Suppose if you're behaving so monotone, you have no emotions, you have nothing, no feeling, no care, no affection for anyone. क्या difference बचता है एक machinery या फिर एक robot and एक इंसान में? आजकल तो AI में भी emotions है, वो भी समझ पा रहा है. But then there comes people, the moment you are about to show your emotions, they'll be like, you're too weak, you're too emotional. No. Showing your emotions, crying it out doesn't mean that you're emotional. And this perception has always been this way, कि even though I used to feel कि ये मेरा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना चाहिए, but उतने ही people started suppressing, or people started saying कि नहीं, you are the weakest. मतलब if a child is vulnerable, तो उसका उतना ही ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा जाता है, right? But then the society treats you differently. The society treats you in a manner that if you're showing emotions, you are just seeking sympathy. You just want attention. You just want validations. No, it's not. It's just my core emotions. It's just how I feel. It's just I'm unable to pretend that I'm not feeling anything if I'm actually feeling it. But again, the society, the so-called society, has its own way to conditions human psychology as well. And the conditioning here, I don't know from where it is coming, but if this conditioning says that being an emotionless human is actually being mature, then it's not. We are literally going in the darkest direction. So stop walking that direction. And if someone says, "You don't cry, don't show your emotions," run away from that person, because उसके पास emotions नहीं है. And irony यही है ना कि you will see ना, most of the time if someone is speaking like this, and जब उसके साथ कुछ होता है, you will see that person's emotions. इट विल बी सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, सबसे रॉयस्ट होगा, सबसे ड्रामेटिक होगा, बट देन दैट पर्सन हैज़ द गट्स टू टेल यू कि इमोशंस जो शो करते हैं वो बहुत वीक होते हैं somehow. फील एवरी इमोशंस, ठीक है, कुछ चीज़ें ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं तो इट्स नॉट गुड, आई गेट इट, बट इवन there are some emotions you need to feel it, validate it and then solve it. I'm not telling you कि अगर कोई emotions, if you're feeling sadness, if you're feeling hurt, उसको लेकर के बैठे रहो, नहीं, लेकिन I'm also telling you to feel it, and for solving any issues you first need to feel it, accept it and then heal it. That's the actual process. You can't deny it and you'll be able to heal it. नहीं, आप बस उसको फिर suppress ही कर पाओगे, and suppress करने से क्या होता है पता है, later on the trauma resurfaces, it jumps in at the most unexpected time, and I have been going through this so I understand. So stop suppressing it. मत सुनो, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे उनको बोलने दो, don't listen to them. And I'm quite very much enjoying the air. So thank you everyone. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. And subscribe if you like the content.